How to use Apple ID Stolen Device Protection. To use the Apple ID Stolen Device Protection, first of all, you have to launch Settings application on your iPhone. However, I'm on Android device, but you simply have to follow these steps. Once you open the Setting application on your iPhone, scroll down and then tap the Face ID and Passcode option. Enter your correct lock screen passcode. Scroll down to locate Stolen Device Protection, then tap Turn on Protection. Once you do this, you simply have to now understand the two security tiers. At familiar locations, when you're at home, work, and other places you frequently visit, your iPhone behaves normally. You can use passcode as a backup if the Face ID fails. If you are in a public space, a coffee shop, or unfamiliar city, your iPhone will automatically trigger two strict security protocols, which is biometric mandatory and security delay. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.